Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to Little Veggie Paradise with your host Deepa. Today, I'm sharing a very popular North Indian main course dish called Paneer Butter Masala. I'm sure it's the favorite of all vegetarians. And just a gentle reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. So let's begin. Now heat a pot and add some butter and some vegetable oil. Once the butter starts melting, I will add some whole spices. 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamom, 2 pieces of cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute them for a couple of seconds or until they turn aromatic. Then add around 1 cup of roughly chopped onions. Cook the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add ½ inch of ginger, 3 green chilies and a few garlic pods. Also, I'm going to add 4 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. Cook all this for around 4 minutes. Now after 4 minutes, I'm going to add a few almond pieces or badam. Cook again for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to blend everything into a fine puree and pass it through a sieve so that we get a restaurant style creamy gravy. To the same pot, add some butter. Keep the flame on medium, and as the butter starts melting, add 1 bay leaf and 1½ teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now this Kashmiri red chili powder is not that spicy, it just gives a good color. Then I'm going to add the prepared puree and add the required amount of water for your gravy. Now cover this and cook it for around 4 minutes. Now while the gravy is getting cooked, I'm going to roast some dried kasuri methi and add it to the gravy. Now the kasuri methi gives a lovely flavor to the dish. Now it's time to season our gravy with some salt and spices. I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and ½ teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything well and cook everything for around 4 minutes. Our gravy has thickened a lot. It's time to add the paneer cubes. This is homemade paneer. Now mix everything really well. And now I'm going to add some fresh cream or malai, around 5 teaspoons, and mix it well. Let it simmer for about 4 minutes. So our paneer butter masala is ready. Let me garnish it with some coriander leaves and some fresh cream. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. If you liked watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to share this video on your social media. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.